Track 25. Doris and Alan are talking about the graduation camp. Listen carefully and answer question 1. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
I think we should book the campsite soon.
Before booking the campsite, let's ask our classmates to vote for their favourite campsite.
Yes, you're right. Let's ask them to vote. Then we can book a coach. After that, we can give out the school notice.
That's a good plan.
Track 26. Ms. Lee and Andy are talking about a competition. Listen carefully and answer question 2. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Andy, to join the Hong Kong story writing competition, there are a few things you need to do.
What are they?
You need to correct the mistakes in your writing. Then, type your writing out on a computer and email it to me before this Friday.
Okay.
Here's your application form. Remember to fill in your application form and give it to me next Monday.
Sure. Thanks, Ms. Lee.
Track 27. Danny is talking with his mum. Listen carefully and answer question 3. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Can you help me do something today?
Sure.
Please buy a bottle of vinegar in the supermarket. Next, drop this letter into the post box.
Mum, there is no stamp on the letter.
Oh, I forgot to buy stamps. Please buy some stamps at the convenience store before you go to the supermarket.
Sure. I'll put a stamp on the letter before posting it.
Thanks. After you post the letter, can you collect the letters from our mailbox?
Sure.